Lamborghini is celebrating its naturally aspirated V12 engine with the unveiling of two unique, one-off vehicles, the Invencible coupé and the Auténtica roadster. The two cars are the epitome of Lamborghini's focus on personalization, with the customer being involved from the beginning to create bespoke models. Both cars use the most powerful version of the V12 engine that Lamborghini has ever put in a road car. The engine produces 769 horsepower and 531 pounds-foot of torque, and is delivered to an all-wheel drive system via a 7-speed ISR gearbox. The 0 to 62 miles per hour run is expected to be done in 2.8 seconds, with a top speed of 220 miles per hour. The design of these cars was created by Lamborghini Centro Stile, who drew on the company's iconic design cues and a sporting character inspired by the racetrack. The cars pay homage to masterpieces of Lamborghini design such as the Sesto Elemento, the Reventón, and the Veneno. The design is characterized by the hexagon, a well-known motif in Lamborghini design, and is integrated into various parts of the car, including the striking front and rear light assembly. The cars share a carbon fiber monocoque and full carbon bodywork, along with technologies tested by Lamborghini in motorsport. The interior of both cars is dominated by clean lines and a minimalist dashboard, with a digital readout featuring dedicated graphics for each car. The Invencible Coupé features a subtle contrast between the dominant shade of red and the carbon look elements, while the Auténtica Roadster features bodywork in Grigio Titans with details in matte black and a Giallo Alga livery. The open-air interior of the Auténtica Roadster boasts elegant embroidery and contrasting leather upholstery.